Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. So first of all, what is vanish mode? Vanish mode is a way of disappearing a message on Instagram. So if you want some sort of privacy in your Instagram messages, you can just decide to go on privacy mode, vanish mode. Then after the conversation, once it exists the conversation, the vanish mode will disappear the message. So for you to do that, for you to turn the vanish mode on, you have to open your Instagram on your phone. Then you tap on the message icon, tap on it, then you tap on the particular person you want to turn on the vanish mode for. So I'm just going to tap on this particular person. Okay, so this is not the regular chat. Alright, so I'm just going to tap on this dude. So I'm just going to tap on the person's profile name. Then I'm going to tap on privacy and safety. And from there, I'm just going to tap on this option, which is vanish mode. Then that's it. So once this vanish mode on, you can see you turn on vanish mode and send message will disappear when you close the chat. That is the effect of this. Once this vanish mode is on and you're having the conversation, once you're done with the conversation and you close this particular chat like this, you close it, and for you to come back to it again, the messages will automatically disappear. And that is it. That is how to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Find this video on your phone, like and follow for more. Thank you.